Hello, hi, welcome back again to this channel. I'm here again today with another very short video, and this video here is information educative video because I want to show you something that happened to me today, and I want to show this. So if it happens to someone else again, you can know what to do. So this video is gonna be very quick to the point, and I'll talk about your power steering, the power steering of your car. So this video is for anyone whose car has a leaking power steering fluid. So if your car is leaking power steering fluid, I'll show you what to do before you take your car to the shop and they take all your money. So this I'll show you what to do. So my vehicle was leaking power steering fluid this morning, and I went to the store. I bought another can of power steering, and by the time I got to work, it was leaking. Almost half of the can was already on the ground leaking. So I talked to this guy and he told me what to do. And I'll show you something here called, let me show you, I hope you can see it. It's called Lucas Power Steering Stop Leak. See it? Lucas Power Steering Stop Leak. That's how the can looks. That's what it looks like. This one is, let me see. Let's see, it's 12 ounces. See that? 355 millimeters. It says guaranteed to stop all seal leaks or your money back. Guaranteed to stop all seal leaks. Because most of the time when your power steering is leaking through the seals. So the guy told me just go to the store and buy this Lucas Power Steering Stop Leak. And it's expensive, like it's about almost $15, $12 for just this small bottle here. But when I put it in the engine, the vehicle stopped leaking. You know, the vehicle hasn't leaked again all day today, and I've been driving the car all day today, and I still haven't seen a leak. So the guy told me this thing works, and it works. So if your car is leaking power steering fluid, any car, it doesn't matter which car it is, as long as your car has as long as you can put power steering into your engine. Some vehicles you can put power steering because these newer model vehicles, some of them you have to take it to the dealer to service your power steering mechanism. But this one here, if you have a spot in your engine that you can put power steering fluid, that's where it goes. So make sure uh, uh, your engine is almost the power steering port where you put your power steering fluid is almost empty. Make sure it's almost empty, and then put this whole can in there. Put this whole plastic can of Lucas Power Steering Stop Leak in there, and drive it. And you don't have to add any power steering in the beginning. Just put the whole can in of the Lucas Power Steering Stop Leak, and after maybe after a while you can add some power steering fluid. But you can see it says here it renews one rack and pinions. Then it says controls slack, squeals, hard spots, and tight steering. It controls all that. So trust me, it works. And I tried it and it works. And I thought it was a game when it says here guarantee when used as directed is guaranteed to eliminate all squeals, seal leaks, or rough spots in your power steering or your money back. Limit is 2 bottles. You don't have to put more than 2 bottles. One is enough. I only put one and I still have some left. If you shake, you see I still have some left. So one is enough. You don't have to put 2. And then it says compatible with all power steering fluids. So you can basically add into any vehicle, it will be fine. So if you have any leaking power steering fluid in your car, try this and let me know. Let me know in the comment section if it worked for you. It will save you a lot of money. You better spend the $10 or $12 by buying this instead of taking to a mechanic who will rip you off like thousands of dollars. Okay, because a power steering system, fixing a power steering system is very expensive. So try this. Let me know in the comment section. And if you have any question there, ask me there in the comment section. So you can see, I'll put a picture in the profile, so a clear picture in the profile so you can see. All right, let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and I'm waiting to read your question and comments. Okay, have a nice day. Bye.